Understanding your monthly Kiwibank credit card statement. At the top of each statement, you can find your statement period. These are the dates your statement covers. You can expect to receive your statement around this time each month. Here, you'll find your summary of this month's activity. Your opening balance is the amount you owed at the start of your statement period, while your closing balance is the total amount owing at the end. Here, you'll see everything in between. This is the total spent and total paid back. The interest summary lists what interest rates apply and the amount of interest that has been charged for each transaction type. Purchases, such as using your card to shop in-store or online, are eligible for an interest-free period, while cash advances, like getting cash out from an ATM, are not eligible for an interest-free period, which means you'll incur interest from the day it's made. Balance transfers are also not eligible for an interest-free period, and the interest is incurred from the date the balance transfer was processed on your account. In this section, you'll find what you need to pay. It displays both your minimum payment due and your closing balance. To avoid interest on purchases, you'll need to pay the closing balance in full by the due date. Your due date is calculated from the number of days in your card's interest-free period. Our rewards cards give you up to 44 days interest-free, and our standard cards give up to 55. Generally, a statement period is 30 days long, and depending on your card's interest-free period, you're given either 14 days or 25 days after your statement closes to pay your closing balance in full to avoid paying interest on your purchases. If you don't pay the full amount of your closing balance by the due date, each purchase will incur interest from the day it was made and charged on your next statement. Remember, cash advances and balance transfers aren't eligible for interest-free days. And if you're paying down a balance transfer, any purchases made won't be eligible for interest-free days until the balance transfer has been paid in full due to our order of payments. If you can't pay the full closing balance, you'll still need to pay at least the minimum payment by the due date to avoid a late payment fee. The minimum payment due is calculated at 5% of the closing balance, or $10, whichever is greater. You can find your transaction details listed out on the next page of your statement. This lists out all the purchases, cash advances, and any interest and fees charged during the statement period, as well as any credits, such as refunds or payments you've made to your card account. Don't forget, when you're making payments towards paying off your balance, these will go towards what is owed in a set order. Any payments made after the closing date will pay off interest and fees first. If you have a balance transfer on your card, payments will go towards paying that down next until it is paid off in full. Then to cash advances, and then to purchases. Reading and understanding your monthly credit card statement is a great way to manage your card. So well done, you're on the right track.